Welcome back, superhumans. Today's mission takes us to the home front, literally. With more of us working remotely, cybercriminals are targeting home networks and personal devices. But worry not, we've got the tools to secure your home base. Remote work opens the door to new cyber threats, from weak passwords to outdated routers, and snooping on public Wi-Fi. Without the office's defenses, your home becomes the new battleground. Step 1. Secure your home Wi-Fi. Change the default router password, enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, and hide your network's SSD if possible. A lockdown network keeps eavesdroppers out. Step 2. Use company-managed or secured devices whenever possible. Personal devices often lack business-grade security, putting sensitive data at risk. Step 3. Use a VPN to encrypt your internet traffic. It protects your data from prying eyes, especially when working on public or unsecured networks. Step 4. Stay vigilant with emails. Hackers know you're working from home and may impersonate coworkers or executives. When in doubt, verify through a separate channel. Mission complete, superhumans. With a secured Wi-Fi, company-approved devices, a strong VPN, and phishing awareness, your home is no longer a weak spot, it's a fortress. Keep defending the digital frontier.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.